In this video, I'm going to be talking about the myth of diversification. And although I'm going to be explaining this with affiliate marketing, this is definitely something that you need to understand if you're doing an online business. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be talking all about the myth of diversification. And something really important, guys, is that we do not need to confuse this with what we call the shiny object syndrome, because sometimes people just misunderstood. Okay. Shiny object is when you jump from one thing to the other. Okay. It's like the name says, it's, you think that the grass is greener on the other side and you're not doing the diversification in a strategic way. Uh, right now, I'm going to be explaining this, how you can actually diversify traffic sources, funnels, and we're going to be talking about products. Okay. One important thing right now, guys, is that right now we have so many traffic sources. Okay. You have TikTok. Okay. Right now you have TikTok, you have Instagram. Okay. You also have YouTube. You also have Facebook. Okay. You have the paid versions. Even you have Pinterest. Okay. One thing that you need to understand is that all of these are different platforms. Okay. All of these are different platforms, but you need to understand that, for example, TikTok is supposed to be TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, what we call the short version. Okay. And here I'm going to put YouTube on the long version. Okay. Here, all of these, okay. Oops. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, all of these are what we call short form content. Okay. That's what they have in common. Okay. My suggestion right now is this. Okay. Remember, it's not about jumping from one platform to the other to the other. It's do this in a strategic way. If you have different traffic sources, you're going to have more opportunities to grow. For example, if you go with the short form content and you repost your content, okay, on different platforms, okay, what you're going to be doing is that you're going to have more ways to drive traffic. Let's say that you have 30 leads from TikTok, 10 from Instagram, 30 for YouTube Short, and 10 for uh, Facebook Reels. So you're going to have here 80 in total, rather than if you go just with TikTok, you're going to have just 30. Okay. So, but what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be recording your video. It can be on TikTok and you can download it by using this tool that is called, this one's called TikTok SnapTech. Okay. This is not an app. Okay, you don't need to download the app. You need to go to snaptech.app or app, snaptech.app, and you're going to be put in the link here. Okay, you can also record the video here on Instagram and you can use Snap Insta. Okay, here, this is SnapTech and this is Snap Insta. And you can download the video and you can make sure that that video is going to be downloaded without watermark, which is really, really important. And let's say that you record it on TikTok. Okay. So you can upload the same video on Instagram, the same video of YouTube Short, the same video on Facebook. Okay. That is the right way to do it. Then, okay, if you already mastered this, okay, because this is something that you need to do on a daily basis. You need to be posting at least 3 reels per day, 3 TikTok videos per day, 3 shorts. As you can see, you can record just 3 videos on TikTok and you can report them on Instagram, YouTube show, Facebook, and so on, because you can download by using SnapTech. Okay. So once you master that, then you can start thinking about, okay, I'm going to go with Pinterest, or maybe I'm going to go vlogging. Okay. Or maybe I'm going to go with YouTube long form content because you already have the skill that you already developed, okay, with the short form content. But the thing is that right now, what people are doing all wrong is that, okay, they start with TikTok, then they listen to someone on a podcast, they watch a YouTube video or any other source, and someone mentioned, no, like, hey, no, the thing is that you need to go all in with Pinterest. So they stop TikTok and they go with Pinterest. Okay, so if they were getting some traction like this, now they stop and now they need to start all over again with Pinterest. Let's say that this is actually TikTok. Okay, so you were getting some traction. And again, you don't need to get confused with diversification and the shiny object syndrome. Okay, this is traffic wise. Don't be jumping from traffic source to traffic source. Okay, in my case, I suggest you to start it this way. Okay, so what about funnels? Okay, the same with funnels. You just need one funnel. That's it. Okay, you just need one funnel. If you're doing affiliate marketing, the only thing that you need is you need a capture page, okay, in which you're going to grab people's name and email. Okay, you need what we call a bridge page. This can be text or this can be a video, okay, in which you're going to be introducing the product. This is going to be a bottom, okay, and after that, okay, this next page, okay, this is going to be the product page, but this is not something that you're going to be designing, okay? You just need to be focused on this too. A capture page, really simple, or what people call up inform, okay? A bridge page. Again, this can be a video, okay? These can be some text, okay? With just one funnel. That's it, okay? Just one funnel. And in this funnel, we are going to be talking about our core product, our main product. Now we can start thinking about offering different products, okay? Why? Because the way we're going to be doing this is by doing email marketing, okay? Here on email marketing, you can talk about different products. Let's say that on the very 7 to 10 emails, you're going to be talking about product 1. Okay. After that, you're going to be providing value. Let's say that you're going to be doing three emails about value. Then after that, you're going to be doing another 7 to 10 emails about product number 2 and so on. So here is where you actually diversify, okay, on the emails. Here is where you talk about different products. Okay, people get confused again with shiny object syndrome because they are like, no, 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 no. Now I'm going to be changing my funnel and all the stuff because someone told me that this product is way better. And then you confuse your audience. They don't know which product is actually the one that they actually need. And we want to avoid that because a confused mind do not take any kind of action. Okay, so do not confuse shiny object with what we call actually diversification. Okay, so here is where you are going to be sending different products, okay, on emails. Okay, if you don't have a system in place like this with the capture page, email marketing, all stuff, okay, there are actually several tools that I can suggest you. You can use ClickFunnels. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can have a 14-day free trial. I'm also use Aweber, okay, for my email marketing. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution and something that it's going to be helping you with your budget that you can start literally 100% for free, there is System.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can actually open your account. You don't need to provide a credit card information or PayPal address. Okay, just need to go and check the link below. If you want to learn more about this, okay, how to actually earn money online, I'm going to be leaving a link below with what is my number one recommendation to make money online. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you enjoy this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.